Happy Sunday, folks. Iron Dave here, Factory Outlet Trailers. Hey, I just wanted to take a minute to touch on a few points. When we're hooking up a trailer, just a couple key things to go over before every trip. You're always going to plug your trailer into your truck. So first thing you want to do is check your lights. So you turn your headlights on in the tow vehicle, walk around your trailer, check and make sure all your marker lights are working. If they aren't, check the connection and possibly a fuse of the truck. Tandem axle trailers with brakes are always going to have a breakaway cable, so always make sure that this is attached to the truck, either with a carabiner, or you can also pull it out and run it through itself and back into the hole there. Always make sure that your tires are properly inflated and that your lug nuts are torqued to spec. And another big thing is just chains. Just have a look at your chains whenever you hook and unhook. Make sure you don't have any broken, worn, or weak links. And then test your brakes. If it's a single axle trailer, you don't have brakes, just do a quick walk around. Make sure that your coupler latch is down on that ball and it's pinned and it's not gonna come off. Then you'll be traveling safe. Happy Sunday, everybody. Iron Dave, come on down to Factory Outlet Trailers. Have a great day.